Al Pacino, il fuoco del bambino.
Only that is free. No woman abuse. No child abuse. Now, I've been making the songs over the years, over the decades. You got a lot of people, younger people wanting to let me know when I sing a certain song. That's not like it with me. That's what I wrote. I sing. Okay, but let's start with this. Y'all make a word for you. Bless my soul, never wonder how we do this and go it. Earth is not the first time I've been in a prison. Don't find no bodies. This is Sister Biology. Get it up on under. Go it. The initiative was very works for the World Jumping Real Festival in Africa. Love navigation in a different zone is happy every nation. This is what you do know when we are reaching witnesses and I'm the government touch. That's a sign that I'm the audience. No, that's the audience. We are into criticism. Before we need the word, I should go down. I want for you to take care of it. Take it up. I'm going to start beating up on the beat me there. Stop the beating up on the children, alright? I'm free 70 and they say I'm not please. I'm going to put something in dance hall and whatever.
thing from Guadeloupe. Yeah. 18 years I work with them people. Yeah.
And Sister Melange, we get back from Jamaica. This is Dominica World Prayer Festival. Pleasure for you coming here, okay? Yeah! Ooh! US Virgin Island. And I represent Rastafari, so you have Rastafari Islands. So all the people from the Caribbean, you're one Caribbean people, meaning you're one African people. A lot of other nations from all over the world been visiting your country for the beauty and splendor. Be in your best behavior, speak the truth as it will, keep your country, but remember now, you gotta be doing a lot of stuff as a country. Now because you're Dominica, and people might be saying this and having a naysay, remember, education comes first, alright? And if you don't start to see that your children are even more educated than you are, you're cheating the game. So this is Video Collins once again. I want to say much respect to the top sponsors, to the officials for putting on such a splendid event, the World Creole Dominica Festival. I would say the African World Creole Dominica Festival. You know what I'm saying? Even the people, Mr. Me, I drive Power Road a few hours ago and saw beautiful black ancient mother leading out about 5 dozen children, decked in the Maja, sleeping out. That is the way you're going to lead out, go to Ethiopia and Africa. Remember now, now make the money and the gold and the diamond trickle up. You're African. You're Africans, alright? And that's the main thing. That's why you have a festival like this. So we can dash for the colonizers dressing and represent ourselves with the symbols of Africa. Alright? Big respect to all Caribbean countries. Dominica, thank you very much for hosting such a beautiful ancestral event. Next shot. Ready? You know that must stand on the stage. Just hear the bless one for love and the time. Oh yeah. So, Dominica. Jamaica. You can say Dominica flag. And Jamaica can say the Rasta flag. I love you to go everything. So, you can sing no more. And I find the present. So in here. All whose education and good over your hands in here. People, hear me now. I break here to the power visa now. Two me born Batman. I'm born lesbian. I'm born pedophilia. I'm born raper man. I'm born all of them child molesters there. Some people talking out of fighting against sister. You're fighting against me, fighting against yourself. This is why we have a festival like this. None of us would have been here without our parents. And your parents consisted of your mother and you know. So when you go to corruption, if you want to give me no visa, that's not a problem. I'm already here. Alright? Remember now, this thing in my home, traveling one foreign country. I want to feel my factory to make the money come show up and poor people in the house and the car. This is about educating your nation and what they've been missing out. What's being misplaced, where they've been miseducated. So we represent ourselves as black people so we can shine a light and be a beacon to the world. This is the Dominica World Creole Festival. Apparently I'm wearing the mattress. But I don't know one word in a Creole. But I know you know the English language, so. This festival is a part of your independence. And unfortunately, I'm sorry to say the condolence to the Queen who have been ruling over the government of a lot of these countries, having we celebrate. We do not celebrate the death of anyone, but you should know that the Queen is no longer there. So you need to take your own responsibility now as black people and all people, without racism, prejudice, classism, and all those stuff. Don't be narcissistic about the matter. The onus is on the people to preserve and protect their culture. What you learn according to the principles and the precepts, that's what you display in your daily life. And as you go by, you will apply your precepts and principles of your culture and your tradition of Africa to everything what you're doing. There's something about us as Rastaman Pygmy. Anything that His Majesty King Selassie is not a part of, we will not be a part of it. Anything that His Majesty King Selassie is not a part of, we will not be a part of it. Alright? And remember now, you are the Hebrew Israelites, Kemetic people, Sabian people. Your duty is to lead accordingly as to your status as black people and all people. That's right. We don't have time to waste, but we have to get the message delivered. Alright? Let's see.